Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. Today we got this Vauxhall Astra 1.6 active in stock for you. Let me tell you about Automart A2B, which works under our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. So today I'll be showing you a walk around on this car. To start off with, we got the halogen headlamps. You have front fog lamps as well. Very lovely color, shining black with black gloss alloy. Got 17-inch alloy which are refurbed. Nicely, goes well with the car. On the left hand side, the bodyworks was really nice. Second alloy there, as you can see, really nice. On the rear, we have parking sensors on this car. I'll show you the boot space on this as well. Really nice big boot space, as you can imagine. 60-40 split setting seats, which do fold all the way, so giving you a bigger, longer boot space. Coming to the right hand side, the third alloy there, it's really nice. Got a small dent over here which can be smartly fixed with our body shop team. They really do a good job. Interior is cloth and leather interior, which is nice. We do have only the front windows as electric, the rear ones are manual. Coming around, and that's the fourth alloy there. Right, I'll jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. So yeah, the front electric windows are just down there. You do have electric adjustable windows. On here we got your headlight function along with the interior adjustability. So the car's done 58,670 miles, which is nice and lovely. You do have multifunction steering wheel. On your left you got your it's cruise control. On the right you got Bluetooth hands-free function along with your volume buttons. Down here we got your menu to check the trip computer on this car. On the right you got your windshield functions for front and rear. Down here we got your entertainment unit. You got locking system, you got radio, CD, auxiliary, phone, as I said, Bluetooth hands-free, and also your aircon down there. 5-speed manual gearbox. You got your USB and a 12-volt socket along with some storage space there. 3 cup holders along with your manual handbrake. So yeah, the car's here with us. We live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.